What's going on, guys? So we are out here at the Elkhart Dealer Open House. This is basically where the dealers come to find inventory that they want to carry in 2024. This right here is a pretty cool and very unique floor plan for a Class B motorhome. And the reason why it's unique is because of what they've done in the back. Now, once we get inside, I'm going to show you all that, but we're going to start off by looking at the outside and what's going on with this. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so first and foremost, you were looking at a 2024 model. This has the 7.3 Godzilla and it rides on an E450 chassis. It's actually really nice looking, full body paint. So they've done a really good job with the graphics on this. I actually think that it really stands out, especially when you compare it to units that are not full body paint. The outside of this just looks really good. And this is called the B Touring Cruiser. Now, again, they've done some interesting things on the inside of this, but before we get there, we're gonna kind of roam around here a little bit. Looks like you have some storage down here. Maybe some more right here. And then more right here. This is on a dually, so you have your Hankook tires on the back. A little bit of storage there. Nice fiberglass cap on the back. Incandescent bulbs. I would have thought they'd be LED, even considering the fact that it's LED up there. Coming around this way, 2-inch trailer receiver. Don't know what it's rated for, but this does have the 7.3 Godzilla gas V8, so I'm assuming 5,000 pounds. You're going to have your waist holding in this area, I believe, and I think it's locked off. Very nice. All right, I think we just know more of that's going to be storage. And then you have a generator exhaust right here, so there's a generator on board. But what do you think? All right, let's hop inside, take a look at what's going on inside of it. And I believe this is the 5255. All right, stepping inside, we'll start this way, kind of work our way around. Got your TV in place. I like the colors in here. Very neutral colors. I like the white cabinetry up here. I like the tones. Very nice looking theater seating here. And I can imagine that your TV is going to swivel out so you can see it. Yep, it's on a swivel, so you can swivel it so you can watch it from right here. And then this is a nice chair, and it's also on a swivel, but it's super, super comfortable. I was sitting in this earlier, give my legs a break, and it was very nice. You have your entertainment system up here, complete with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, as well as the ability to see your cameras, which surround this entire vehicle. Seats feel very nice. Power windows, door locks, all of that stuff. All right, over here you have a single basin stainless steel sink. Nice cabinets up top. Not soft closing. And a nice cabinetry down here. You have your 3-burner Greystone stove with oven. And then nice backsplash back here. On this side, you have your refrigerator. And this is a gas electric refrigerator from Norcold. So check this out. This has 2 twin beds in it. And I was actually asking the gentleman here what the deal is with these beds. Is it actually preferred? Is it a thing? Do people actually want to buy this with 2 beds that are separated like this? And he goes, it's far more common than he actually thought. This was a highly requested feature to where you can separate the bed. Now, I asked him, what's the demographic? Who are you targeting? And he says sometimes, elderly folks or people just don't sleep in the same bed together for one reason or another. Maybe they crawl on the other one, or maybe they flop around. I don't know. But for those who don't sleep on the same bed together, this gives you a really good alternative to that, where you can sleep on separate beds. And it's cool. They've executed on it well. Airstream and a lot of other companies have been doing things like this for a long time. And it doesn't look bad if this is what you're looking for. Nice closet space there. Plenty of closet space here. You got some more on this side. Very nice. You have windows above each one of your beds. And then stepping here in the bathroom, you have a porcelain cornered toilet. Fair amount of room. You're a little tight on this side though. Got more closet space up here. Spinning around, you got the shower closed. That's pretty nice. It's a good size shower for sure. Medicine cabinet up here. Small compact bowl, which I don't mind. I actually prefer when they put these smaller sinks because I don't really think you need a huge sink inside of an RV bathroom, to be honest. I got my buddy Tyler here with eTrailer. What do you think?
It's cool. It's cool. We're giving it a rating out of 10 like we are with everything else. You know, I think I'm going to give it a 5. There's nothing that really stands out to me as really unique and special. The bathroom's a little small for me. I do like the finish outside that you saw at the beginning, but like JD, I'm really curious about the twin bed thing. Kind of confuses me. So if you're someone who, you know, would prefer a twin bed over just one full bed or a queen bed, comment below and say why, because I'm really curious to find out like why this is so sought after.
I mean, I could understand if it's like two brothers that are touring around, or if it's, you know, if it's people who aren't in a relationship. But if you're in a relationship, I would just assume you'd want one larger bed that's connected. But that said, apparently this is a thing because he was pretty convincing. He said we came out with this floor plan because people specifically requested it. So again, if you're one of those people and you're okay with sharing why, I would love to know. And again, I'm not talking about the scenario where you have two people who aren't in a relationship, who just simply want to travel around. I get that. I totally understand that. But if you're in a relationship, I don't know why you would want to, but I would love to learn why. So I'm open-minded to understanding why you would want that. Anyways, guys, I would give this, you know, and again, I'm only judging it based on my application here, and I'm trying to understand how they would use it, but I would give it like a 4. I like it. I like the interior. It would probably get more like a 6 or a 7 if that were like a queen bed back there, but because it's not, and I have a hard time wrapping my head around it, I got to score it what I'm scoring it. So yeah, I'm going to give it, what did I say, a 4?
Yeah, 4.
I'll give it a 4. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.